Hi guys! Today we are going to continue working with division. This time we are going to interpret the unknown using the array model. Let's look at our first division problem. This problem reads 8 divided by 2 equals 4. Now I did something special in this problem because I gave you the quotient, and the quotient is 4. 4 is my quotient. It's the answer to a division problem. Since this is not a word problem, I will tell you that I want my quotient 4 to represent the number of groups. So when I draw my array model, I need 4 to be the number of groups I have. That is the unknown that I'm trying to find. So let's go ahead and draw our array. I can think about this problem as if I have 8 total counters and I'm dividing them into groups of 2. So if I have 8 total counters and I'm dividing them into groups of 2, I should have 4 rows, or the number of groups. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I have 8 counters and I also have 1 row, 2 rows, 3 rows, and 4 rows. So this matches my equation, 8 divided by 2 equals 4. For problem 2, let's draw an array that shows the equation 15 divided by 3 equals 5, where the quotient, or my answer 5, represents the size of the groups. So this array is going to look different from problem 1 that we just did, because in this case, 15 divided by 3 equals 5. In this case, they want my quotient, which is 5, to represent the size of the groups, not the number of the groups, but the size of how many counters I want in each group. So I need to count out 5 counters in each group. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So there's one group, and I have to count up to have a total of 15 counters. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. There's another group. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. This array matches the division problem 15 divided by 3 equals 5 because my 5 represents the size of the groups. I have 3 groups, 1, 2, 3, and I have 5 counters in each group. I'm now able to look at this array that I drew and write both a division and a multiplication equation to match this array. Obviously, my division is 15 divided by 3 equals 5. I have 15 counters. If I break them up into groups of 3, 5 counters are in each group. But when I look at this array, from what we've been doing the last couple of days, I can see that I have 3 groups of 5. 3 groups of 5, or 3 rows of 5, equals 15. And in both cases, for both of these problems, my 5 represents the size of the groups. 5 counters are in each group. When I divide 15 counters into 3 groups, I have 3 groups of 5. So in both equations, 5 still represents the size of my groups. Now I want to solve blank times 3 equals 24. We can skip count to track the number of 3's to solve. So we're going to count up by 3 until we get to our product 24. So 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, 21, 24. And I can stop there because I just counted up to my product 24. How many 3s did I just count? Let's count up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I counted 8 3s, so 8 3s make 24. 8 times 3 equals 24. I'm now going to use this multiplication problem and write a related division problem where the quotient, or my answer, represents the unknown factor, which I just found is 8. So if I'm stuck and I don't know what to write in this division problem, and they're telling me they want the unknown factor to be the quotient, I can work backwards and put the quotient in first. So if it's blank divided by blank equals blank, and they're telling me they want the unknown to be my quotient, I found the unknown to be 8. So 8 will be my answer. 8 will be my quotient. When we work with division, we start with the biggest number first. So 24 divided by 3 equals 8. 8 is my unknown, which I found, and now it is my quotient. I'm still using the same exact numbers from my multiplication equation, but I did have to put them in a different order since they told me they wanted my unknown to be my quotient. And with division, we start with a large number and we break it apart. So hopefully this will help you.